Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to travel with my Notion template. As you can see, I opted for a clean and minimalist style with pastel tones. On the dashboard, we have 6 sections: the must-visit places, the trip planning, the budget tracker, the packing checklist, the tips and notes, and the travel journal. Let's start with the list of places. Here we have a database where you can enter all your places in one spot, with the name of the place, the category in select format, the different information such as address, opening hours, cost, a link to a Maps application, and notes. Once we have entered our places, we can move on to our activities. This is the second section of our dashboard. Here too, we have a database. You can enter the name of the activity, the description, the type of activity in select format, the start and end times, the location, which is directly linked to the places database, and of course, the notes. You will have a calendar view of these activities that you can open in Notion Calendar. For the third section, it's the budget tracking. Here we have 2 databases. The first one is the plan budget. You can define categories with a total plan budget, the number of days of your trip, and the budget per day. You can, as in all databases, add notes. As you can see at the bottom, we have our different totals. The second database is the actual expenses. This is the count that you will do day by day. So, you will be able to enter the date, the category, which is directly linked to the planned budget, the subcategory in select format, the location, also linked, the amount spent, and finally, the 2 next columns are also directly linked to the planned budget. When you enter your category here, this aggregation column will fetch the amount in the planned budget. Then, this column will tell you if the amount spent is higher or lower with a color code. Finally, you can add a few notes in the last column. Let's move to the packing checklist. Here, it's very simple. You have a status, the name of the item to pack, the category, the quantity, and notes. You just have to check them off. The tips and notes sections is divided into 4 subsections, but you can, of course, add or remove them. I included a section called Travel Tips in the form of a list, a recommendation section in the form of a database where you can enter the name, the category, who recommended it to you, the description, the link if applicable, and notes. Then, the wish list, which corresponds to all the little things you would like to do during your trip. You can choose done if you've managed to do it, or not done if you unfortunately couldn't. You enter the name of your activity or experience, the category, the description, the priority, and notes. And finally, the last subsection is the general notes. It's kind of like a post-it section where you can add different thoughts. To finish, let's move on to travel journal. Here, you can enter your journal entries with the date, the titles, locations, the description. This is your journal entry where you will write what you did, what you liked, etc. A photo or image column, a link column if applicable, and a tag column, which will be very useful when you have many entries in your journal. You can filter by tag and find the entries that interest you. For example, trips to the beach or evening outings. And finally, a last column for anecdotes. There is also a hidden column with formulas that will allow you to automatically generate here cards that only display the data you have entered. The advantage, as you can see here, is that it brings back the column labels, which is very handy for identifying what you are talking about, unlike the Kanban boards, which only shows the data entered. This allows you to have your little journal entries in a kind of Bristol card format. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find the Ko-fi link in the video description or on the YouTube profile. Of course, this template is free, but if you would like to make a small donation, it will allow me to continue providing content. If you can't make a donation, a simple thank you or comment always warms the heart. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts or improvement ideas in the comments of this video, and we'll meet again soon for new videos.